In this video, I'm demonstrating an incline chest press with dumbbells. Start off with a light weight that you can control and bring the weight to your thighs. Then kick up one dumbbell at a time with your legs, keeping the weight close to your body. Lie back on the bench, keeping your feet planted firmly on the ground below your knees. Then keep your butt, hips, upper back, and your head in contact with the bench. In this position, peel your shoulder blades back and chest up so there's a natural arch in your lower back. From there, the path for the dumbbells will start at about a 45-degree angle. Then I want you to press all the way up, but keep a slight bend in the elbows so as not to lock out your joints. Then you're going to lower the dumbbells until you're in about a 90-degree angle with both elbows. Keep your spine in line with the rest of your body and focus on looking straight up. Make sure to breathe in as you lower the weight, which should take about 2 to 3 seconds. Pause for a moment in the contracted position and then breathe out as you press the weight up.